Hi guys, Will here and welcome back to Thursday's Thoughts, the once per week upload where I share a thought, a tip or an idea to make you the very best trader that you can be. And on today's episode, I'm going to share a key success secret that the vast majority of traders are missing. And I promise you, I absolutely promise you, when you've learned this and truly understood it, the effect that this will have on your profitability will be second to none. It really will. Stay tuned and let's get straight into it. Hi guys, Will here from WB Trading and welcome back. If you are new to the channel, please do hit that subscribe button and tap the bell icon so that you don't miss any of the free content that I share with the trading community here on YouTube. So a friend of mine and a current mentor of mine shared something with me recently that I want to reshare with you all today here on the channel, because I know from experience how big an impact this success secret that no one ever wants to know can and will no doubt have on your profitability as a trader. So let's dive straight in. Some people, and I'm firmly included within this camp, would say that this is the ultimate success secret, but the reason no one wants to know what it is because it isn't sexy. It isn't a new source of edge, and it also isn't very convenient either. But if you utilize it, it will change everything. It really will. It has for me, it has for friends of mine, it has for many of the clients that me and my team have worked with, and so on and so forth. So what is it? Well, the person who shared this with me actually shared it via a story. So let me share that same story with you. He was away earlier this month on a short winter holiday just to get some sunshine in. And at one point, he was working out in the hotel gym and he found himself training alongside two German guys who were shredded, to put it lightly. Okay, they were lifting heavy, they were putting in the time, the energy, and they were there before my friend went in and they were there after he left. Okay, now the next night my friend heads back to the gym and there they both are yet again. There before he went in for the second time and still there after he left for the second time. So how does this story relate to you, to your trading, right? One word: consistency. Again, my friend was in that gym every single day, and every single day that he actually went, they were there. Training as he walked in, still training as he walked out. Now, there's a saying in the diet industry that the best diet is one that you can stick to. And wow, is that true when it comes to trading, right? If your strategy doesn't fit you, if your strategy overwhelms you, confuses you, you're never going to be able to stick to it, are you? And I'm sure that many of you watching this, listening to this right now, are nodding your heads as I say that. Just like with a diet, let's say your diet consisted of you analysing food every day, analysing a whole handful of food regularly, and worse than that, the type of food and therefore the analysis changes every single day. No plan, no structure, no concrete rules to follow. I think we can agree that not many of us would ever be able to stick to that diet to get results, right? Because it's just all over the place. There's no structure. And trading is no different. And all that profitability as a trader comes down to, it genuinely is just two things. So number one, having a process that's easy to follow, that's simple, that's structured, that's planned out in advance, and that you know is actually proven to work. And number two, again, consistency. You have to be able to take the same proven actions and just repeat those time and again across the months, across the quarters, across the years, whilst your edge actually plays out, right? Whilst you let the law of large numbers, the mathematics behind the strategy or the strategies that you're actually trading play out. See, the crazy thing is most traders out there, the vast majority of traders, are using discretion, are using analysis, best guesses. And coming back to the diet example, if I said to you, right, you want to lose weight, well, number one, eat a well-balanced diet, stay away from sugar and alcohol, and manage your portions. That's not very useful, is it? Because you're then left to guess, to predict, to kind of work it out. And that's exactly what you're doing if you're trading using analysis. Whereas if I handed over, let's say, a meal plan and I organized meal prep to be delivered once every week with 7 healthy breakfasts, lunches, and dinners, and I just said to you, look, eat X at breakfast, okay? Then eat Y at lunch, and then eat Z at dinner, and just repeat that every day, completely planned out, completely mechanical, just follow the rules. And I've also pre-calculated the calorie counts and written it on every single dish for you too. That would be a hell of a lot easier to follow, wouldn't it? And that's exactly why I trade mechanically, because mechanical rules are just that. They're proven in advance and then laid out in a repeatable process that does not change. That's what trading success, long-term profitability, actually comes down to. It's having a proven, repeatable process that actually enables you to remain consistent over the long term, whilst avoiding the pitfalls that the vast majority of traders fall foul to. As they say, the majority are always wrong, right? So ask yourself, within your trading, do you have a diet that you can stick to, so to speak? Do you have a set of proven strategies that actually lay out a consistent, repeatable process? Or have you been told to, as we've just said, eat a well-balanced diet, stay away from sugar and alcohol, and manage your portions? Have you been told to really work out for yourself what the market might do, to try drawing a trend line here, a support level there, and why not try enabling this indicator, that indicator? And you're slowly realizing, due to all of the guesswork, you're just going around in circles, right? Does that sound like you? Again, as the saying goes, the best diet is one that you can stick to. A repeatable, proven process, it just has to come first. And from there, use that success secret to your advantage, consistency. And that process will, over time, always deliver results. Anyway, I hope that helps. I hope that's added value for you. Just a quick, short, sharp video for today's Thursday's thoughts. I'll leave it there for today. And as always, trade with Edge, with consistency. And I look forward to having you back here on the channel soon. Thanks, guys.